It happens every moment your keys are nowhere to be found. But most fingerprint locks are bulky, expensive, difficult to install, and lack accuracy. That's why we invented Brill Lock, a smart fingerprint door lock with minimalist styling that is affordable, accurate and easy installing. With Brill Lock, you will never have to fumble for keys at the door again. By simply touching the fingerprint interface, you can unlock the door immediately. Say goodbye to the complicated mounting and drilling. All you need is a screwdriver to install Brill Lock. It takes only a few minutes. Brill Lock automatically locks itself when you close the door. If someone tries to break into your home, the hidden keyhole and fingerprint interface will make that impossible. When you are at home, at dormitory or at business, you can easily switch to the Smart Open mode to keep the doors unlocked, so you can streamline your daily activities. You can also choose to use a traditional key to unlock Brill Lock. Brill Lock comes with the best material, the latest technology and an affordable price. Built with the most advanced level C lock cylinder, Brill Lock is secure, durable, and virtually impossible to hack. The semiconductor sensor uses bank-grade encryption, local storage, and is coated with a PVD layer. Designed to be minimalistic, classic and modern, Brill Lock matches your door no matter the style seamlessly. Brill Lock has a 1-year battery life that can last for up to 3,000 entries. No need to worry about low battery again. Brill Lock, a safer and more convenient solution to upgrade your door.
We are excited to introduce CardLax 2.0. Based on our backers and customer feedback and a deeper understanding of electrical muscle stimulation, we've developed an even thinner, lighter, more powerful device that provides an even better massage experience. EMS utilizes electrical impulses to stimulate and contract muscles to achieve the massaging effect. We've also upgraded the pads and made them out of leather, so they are washable, reusable, cost-efficient, last longer, environmentally friendly, and are more comfortable. And added a second color at the request of our backers. CardLax 2.0 is now available in black or gray. Just like with the original CardLax, our goal is to allow people to relax and massage their muscles anytime, anywhere. It's small, portable, reusable, and FDA approved for safety. It helps ease muscle soreness, relieve tension, and help build muscles when strength training. In CardLax 2.0, we've added a brand new fitness massage mode, Shred. Plus, we have the knock, malaxation, rub, and high-frequency stimulation modes, and combinations of all of them, which equal 7 different modes, each with 10 levels of intensity, to suit your different needs. We are excited to share the CardLax 2.0 with improved strength training, relaxation, and pain relief with you. Join us to share your CardLax experience and back us on Kickstarter.
Time-lapse videos, lightning strikes, flying foods, popping balloons, burning steel wools, high dynamic range images. No matter what kind of photography, as Ansel Adams said, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Created Flex, the easiest way of making creative photos. Lightning strikes are one of the spectacular events of nature. Flex is an excellent tool for those who want to capture these unique moments. Adjust the camera settings, set the sensor sensitivity, and leave the rest to Flex. Whether daytime or nighttime, it detects lightning strikes and automatically triggers your camera to make the magic happen. You can instantly see the shot on your smartphone and combine multiple lightning strikes in a single photo to make impressive lightning photos. Moreover, you can instantly share them on your social media accounts with a single touch. Flex is also capable of geotagging your photos by adding the GPS data from your smartphone. You can now easily organize your images according to their location. Flex offers far more functionality than a standard cable release. Its 6 different cable release modes let you dominate the shutter. You can release it with a single touch, or set a timer to release the shutter. Flex is one of the most powerful devices for making time-lapse videos last from minutes to hours without any hassle. In addition to regular time-lapse modes, Flex adds bulb ramping, HDR time-lapse, and even Holy Grail time-lapse for complex lighting conditions such as day-to-night transitions. Best of all, Flex shows you a preview of your time-lapse video during the shooting process. High dynamic range photography is another great way of making stunning photos. Flex extends your camera's bracketing limitations. It magically takes multiple images of the same scene at different exposures and stitches them into a single HDR image in seconds. Set your composition, exposure, and sit back. Just share with others and enjoy the comments. Step into high-speed photography with Flex's smart sensors, which combine multiple high-speed photography features in a single unit. Take multiple shots of flying objects by freezing the moment. Making the photo you have dreamed of is now very easy and fun by using the laser mode. Or unleash your creativity with a popping balloon. Capture the right moment, preview from your smartphone, edit, and make that eye-catching photo. Live framing is an excellent tool for those who like to shoot with pre-planned compositions. Put the finishing touches on your scene and take the perfect photo with a single tap. If you are a lover of star trails, steel wools, or light paintings, Flex will be an essential tool in your photo bag. Use one of Flex's many long exposure modes without having to touch your camera. You will be impressed by Flex's great features and be amazed by the contribution it can make to your photography. Please support our campaign and let's turn this dream into reality together again.